Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch, and if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades, and let's get right into it right now. And Bitcoin is pushing higher once again, now at 29,600. Now let's take a look at it. And Bitcoin actually pumped up overnight, reaching 30,200 I believe, and now we actually hit some pretty big resistance once again. The $30,000 level being tested, and we could be potentially getting ready to put in a head and shoulders pattern here, right here. Your left shoulder, your head, and then, or sorry, the head is actually a little bit bigger, and then your right shoulder here. So again, my best guess now is that you're going to chop around, and then you'll come back down, and then you'll eventually start to break down lower. As you guys can probably tell, the markets are very, very bearish at the moment. The S&P 500 rolling over, closing below, not only on the daily, below the 200-day moving average, but a weekly close as well. So again, the 200-day was around right here, right around 42.50, and we got a weekly close below that. So again, that is very, very bearish at the moment. So don't try to long any equities right now, in my opinion. I think we got lower to go. And again, Bitcoin rallying with gold is not something you usually see, but gold is getting very overbought at the moment. So if gold starts to pull back and the Bitcoin's following gold, then in my opinion, Bitcoin's going to roll over. So again, I'm just going to be very patient. I'm not going to get too stressed here. I think we're still going down eventually to 21K. I mean, right now, it seems really unlikely because we're so high up, and you can see everyone is getting very bullish, and it's like in your face. Haha, loser. I'm so happy you lost money. Very toxic coming from the bullish side. I don't know why people are so toxic. It's just about trading. And again, sometimes I get things wrong, sometimes I get things right. And again, let's say I get it wrong. Regardless, who cares if I get it wrong? Because I am making money regardless, trading inside the Discord, always getting those consistent gains. So again, if you guys want to get access, the link is in the description. And you guys can get access to all these awesome trades we make inside, regardless of my predictions or whatever. If I'm always wrong and making money, then I'm very happy. So I'd be more than happy to be wrong all the time and keep making money. So who cares? Let's move on. Let's take a look at the commitment of traders report that just came out. Commercial money is still net short and overwhelmingly short. They removed 524 contracts from the short side and added 143 to the long side. So again, they're short 1,276 contracts, long 281. Retail money and dumb money, long 1,341 contracts, and short 673. They removed 102 from the short side, added 55 to the long side. Overall, they are more long than short. Actually, almost double their position from the long side, from their short position. And then smart money is short basically 5 times the amount that they are long right now. So again, they are still overwhelmingly short. I will be updating you guys every single Friday on what commercial money is doing. So again, just gonna be patient. No need to freak out and get angry and rant at the people who are short. It's just because we're short doesn't mean we want the price to go to zero. We always want to be short Bitcoin because we always want the price to be cheaper so we could buy more, right? That's the whole goal. Is if you are a very bullish Bitcoin, you would love to see these videos, these bearish videos, right? But these people that are so angry, I don't know what's their deal. Maybe they just hate me, and that's why they leave these very, very rude comments sometimes. I love to read them though. I never block them. I actually approve them all the time, so the YouTube doesn't delete any of their comments. So I make sure that their hatred is expressed in light. So when this move does happen, then it's going to be quite embarrassing. So again, anything is possible, and I still think that we are going to come down into a B wave, into right now we're in a B wave extension, into a C wave, which is going to come down in a 1, 2, a 3, 4, and a 5. right? So I'll obviously readjust the count now because we are extending higher. So this was obviously is now maybe a bit of a, not even maybe WXY, but a 1, 2, 3, and a 4 and a 5. But we'll have to see how this plays out. I'll just be patient right now. I'm not too worried. Sorry, let me just readjust this to WXI. I'll just leave it there for now. But overall, I still think we're going down, and it'll be either today, tomorrow, 2 weeks from now, a month from now. Doesn't matter to me, because once we get down here, I will be accumulating a significant amount. You guys can call them bear dreams or whatever you want, but it's whatever you want. I don't care. I'm still waiting for this move. So if you want to be toxic about it, go ahead, be toxic. I'm just gonna wait and be patient, and then once we get to this level, we'll accumulate it, and we'll get ready for the wave 2. The wave 2 low, and then it's gonna be a huge bounce into the halving. And regardless, even if this doesn't happen, and we actually end up playing something like this, or we come up in a wave 3, which would be, in my opinion, unlikely given the current scenario and current conditions of the market. I would expect one more low in Bitcoin. Looking at the stochastics on the monthly, it looks like it's ready to roll over right here. So again, just be patient, wait for it, and don't get too greedy. Okay, so that does it for me about now. I don't have any more updates for you guys. I'll keep you guys up to date on the weekly close, because we actually invalidated it on the Bitcoin futures here. If you guys take a look at the futures, we were putting inside bar consolidation, and now we closed right above the red bar close here, right around 29,420, and it actually, that's not something you want to see. So it's invalidated. Maybe everyone's gonna get long, and we're gonna reverse back down, kind of what we did in the futures. We invalidated the head and shoulders in the S&P 500 right here, like so. Oh, sorry, not the futures. On the on the SPY here, we actually invalidated the head and shoulders. Everyone and their mom bought calls, longs, getting ready for the market to moon. We're going higher, and then boom, option X came and they ripped it back down, and the bulls got absolutely destroyed. Okay, so again, we'll be looking lower for the SPY as well to buy lower. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Love you all. Peace.